This is Anika Brown with the Blueprint News Network in Downers Grove. Starting February 16th, students who wish to proceed with hybrid learning and are involved in any athletics or activities on campus must complete a mandatory weekly saliva testing. Here to talk about how the testing will proceed is District 99 Superintendent Dr. Hank Thiele.
You'll come to school with your little bitty vial and you'll put it in a little envelope. And then you drop that envelope in a box. The lab does what's called an RT off to the lab if COVID virus is present, and then they destroy the samples. And then they contact us which barcode numbers came back with a high viral load, which means it's like that the student has the virus.
In an effort, District 99 will use the saliva testing to see the student metrics instead of community rates in order to keep students in the building while staying safe. The contents of the tests that students have received include saliva tubes, straws, envelopes in which you turn in the test, and instructions. If test results come back with a high viral load, the nursing staff will reach out to the family and advise students to get an official COVID-19 test before coming back to school. Junior Olivia Bafoco shares her thoughts on the new mandatory steps to ensure safety.
I don't really have a problem taking the test itself. I just hope it's actually beneficial and not just another wasted test method, and hopefully we can get more people going to school and stuff like that.
District 99 received a COVID relief grant, spending up to $600,000 for the upcoming tests.
The funding for this program comes from the Federal CARES Act funds, which are grant funds intended for schools to offset costs related to coronavirus expenses, and that's exactly what this is.
For more information, visit csd99.org. Thank you for watching. This is Anika Brown with the Blueprint News Network.